the market and customers have gone digital in the last 5 to 7 years, and this reduced the volume of branch banking significantly. This has given rise to invisibility, or rather, I would say, diminished visibility in the last few years. Imagine the power of just instructing Alexa or Siri to just make a payment for your internet services without you needing to even open the banking application. In your day to day financial services usage, these platforms are the front facing and your bank has gone into the background. Imagine it like a recipe where you have different ingredients, or the best of the ingredients from different banks, and you combine them together in the right proportion to come up with a new financial product that you can readily market to your end customers. The important thing to remember is that the bank is nowhere in the front. They are not in the forefront. They are always embedded, and they are always ambient but never present.
Integration should not be aligned to a certain extent. It has to be decentralized in nature. It cannot be very rigid in nature that every transactions have to go through a service oriented architecture or a microservices architecture and so on. It has to be on a need basis. It cannot be well aligned to a certain extent or extremities of the implementations. So in that way, if you decentralize them, we'll be able to make more systems decoupled, loosely coupled in nature, so that we'll be able to call our enterprise IT architecture more flexible in nature to adopt any kind of upcoming challenges. We can see more often a technical deadlock because of the stringent policies that is being followed by different teams, which is one another not able to be very much compatible and collaborate well and carry forward the while enabling the business functionalities.